This is one of a series of short videos on Drumbridges roundabout. This covers the road ahead from Newton Abbot to Bovey Tracey. The sign on the left confirms Bovey Tracey is the third exit. The sign on the left tells you to use either middle or right hand lanes for Bovey Tracey. Road markings, however, tell you only the middle lane, so that's where we're going to position. We should be in the middle lane anyway unless we're planning on overtaking anything. In my opinion, the sign's a little bit misleading because after the roundabout, the middle lane becomes the left lane for Bovey Tracey and Morton Hampstead, and the right lane becomes the right lane for a right turn to Heathfield. So we're going to follow this middle lane across, watching out for the yellow box and making sure that's all clear. So we're now in the left-hand lane as we come round the roundabout. We've just passed the first exit. Looks like we're going to have to stop at the traffic lights for the second exit. It's quite common to get stuck at the traffic lights at some point around this roundabout, so always worth paying attention to them. So we need to continue in the left-hand lane as we go around the roundabout. So passing the second exit, watching out for the lorry. Sometimes they come over the white line because they're so big. So checking mirrors in particular on the left as we exit the roundabout here, continuing in the left-hand lane. And we can see the lorries actually come across fully into our lane, which it shouldn't be doing. It should have stayed in the right-hand lane for Heathfield. I think they've realised their mistake now and they're moving back. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos?